Now we are going to do an AM modulation and a demodulation experiment. First of all, we connect the channel 1 of the oscilloscope to the right side of the audio generator. You can see that we connect to a sine wave and we change the amplitude and we can change the frequency. And for this project, we will use the left audio generator for the carrier signal. The left audio generator for the carrier signal. So we connect it to the carrier signal point. We can see that the IC labeled a carrier signal input. And the IB2 is connected to the audio signal, and we connect it to audio generator number 2. And for the ground point, we connect all the ground points together. Then we use 2 jumpers to connect it to the IC to set up the gain and the bias of the IC. And for the output, we'll connect it to the channel 2 of the oscilloscope. So now we are ready to observe the modulated waveform. Oh, we forgot to put the power cable. Okay, now we can see the upper waveform is the input sine wave, and the lower waveform is the modulated AM signal. We can do some fine tune and to see the carrier. We can see the carrier signal is inside the audio signal. Look at those sine waves. And we can adjust the modulation index to suppress the carrier. Okay. So now we have done the AM modulation experiments and are ready to do the demodulation experiments. To do the AM demodulation experiment, we connect the output of the modulation circuit to the input of the demodulation circuit, and we observe the modulated waveform at the output of the demodulated circuit. From the oscilloscope, we can see the upper waveform is the input wave, and then the lower waveform is the output wave. You can see that when we adjust the frequency of the input waveform, the frequency of the output waveform is also adjusted. And we need to do some fine tune. You can see that how the amplitude of and the frequency of the input waveform affect the output waveform. And you also can see the frequency of the both waveform are the same. So this is the experiment of the AM demodulation.